In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a PDF into Google Sheets cells. This is a super handy skill, especially if you're working on a collaborative project or need to centralize documents with your data. Let's get started. First, you need to upload your PDF to Google Drive. This step is crucial because Google Sheets doesn't natively support PDF files, so using Google Drive is an effective workaround. Simply go to your Google Drive and begin the upload process. You can achieve this by clicking on the New button located in the upper left corner of your screen. Choose File Upload from the drop-down menu, select the PDF file from your computer, and wait for the upload to complete. You'll know it's done when you see the document appearing in your Drive interface. Once your PDF is safely stored in Google Drive, the next step is to get its shareable link. You do this by right-clicking on the PDF file. A menu will pop up, and among the options, you'll see Copy Link. Click on it, and Google Drive will automatically copy the file's URL to your clipboard, allowing you to seamlessly move it over to your Google Sheets document. Now, with your PDF link ready, switch over to your Google Sheets. Decide which cell you want to insert your PDF link into. When you've selected the cell, right-click on it. This will prompt a menu to appear. From the options, click on Insert Link. This feature allows you to hyperlink cells, making it simple to access additional information without cluttering your spreadsheet with extra text. In the hyperlink menu, you'll notice a field where you can paste the link you copied earlier. Go ahead and do that. Additionally, you can enhance the usability of your sheet by adding custom text in the text field. This is useful for giving context or a short description about what the link contains. For example, you might type in Project Guidelines PDF, making it clear to anyone using the sheet what clicking the link will lead to. And there you have it. The PDF is now just a click away within your Google Sheets cell. Neatly integrated and easy for anyone with access to click on it and view the document. This method maintains the aesthetics of your spreadsheet while still making important resources easily accessible. By employing this technique, you're efficiently bridging the gap between data and documentation. It's convenient, clean, and keeps everything within easy reach without needing to juggle multiple platforms simultaneously. If you're following along and have any questions, feel free to drop a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thanks for watching and see you next time.